I'm going to show you how you are going to make your resume for free, and it will be like professional resume without using any software. Now what you are going to do, you will come in your Chrome browser or any browser which you are using, and here you are going to write like Canva. The main purpose of Canva is making different like available option. We have many things here to design, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you here how you are going to make your resume. But make sure that you have to sign up here, because it needs it requires to for you to sign up. And when you are going to sign up, you will get different option here. But I have already installed that in my like MacBook as well. Now what I'm going to do here, we will come like in search. I will write, once you have installed it, then you are going to write resume, then press enter. And once you get entered, you will get many options. Now one thing which I have here already, I have a educational like account, therefore I can use any resume here. But if you are going to see that it is like education, maybe edu, you cannot use that for free. But maybe for you it could be the icon, maybe pro, okay, written like this one, like that, okay, it should be like pro. But on the resume which you don't have like pro or edu, you can use that one as well. Now what you are going to do, for example, I will come here and see I can use for free that one, this one, and we have also this one and this one, anyone which you are going to like and which you want to update according to your desire, you have to use that one. Okay, for example, I'm going to use that one, and it's also for free. I have to click that, and once I'm going to click, you can also get the different information. You can also search for that, for this title, and then you are going to click on customize this template. Now once I get customize this template, then you will get all the information from here. And once you have this information, for example, I have like that one, I will write here my name, just double click and write your name, professional, maybe tutorial, and tutorial, yeah. Then maybe I can decrease the like font. You can see that now it is adjusted, and I can write that here, for example, teaching on YouTube, okay. And here I going to write about my profile. For example, I am a YouTuber for more than 5 years, and whatsoever you are, it is editable. You can see that any information which you are going to add, you can just add here. And one more thing, as like I'm going to give you, for example, if you are going to come in your Chrome and you will come here and write chat GPT, yeah, then here in chat GPT you are going to just, for example, open that one. Oh, okay, let me just open. Why it is like in sponsoring that one, I don't know. Okay, once again I will write chat GPT, and we are going to open chat GPT. Yeah, here is what we have here now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try chat GPT, and here I'm going to try it, for example, write for me through maybe 50 word regarding programming or coding for my resume profile. Okay, I'm giving that instruction. Now you can see that passionate and detail oriented programmer with a strong experience, and I'm going to copy that one. For example, from here I will copy everything. Now command C or control C, and then I will come in Canva once again, and maybe I'm going to add everything in my profile, control or command A, and command V or control C, and I have added. See that that is my profile like here. I have written that passionate and detail oriented programmer, and you can also like add your like languages here, languages, and whatsoever languages you can speak, you can just write that one. And there you are going to write like my contact detail or my contact or contact. Then whatsoever you are going to write here, you have that option. Okay, now that is how you are going to do, or you are going to update your information using CV. Okay, once it is done, if you have updated everything and now you are happy to just use that one, click on share, and here you are going to click on download, and here you are going to click download because it is downloading in PDF. You will, by default it is PDF or whatsoever, and see it is the PDF format. You are going to save that one, and once it is saved, then you can see show in folder, and now it is in folder. I can double click that one, and here you are going to see your PDF, usable PDF file, and it is ready to send to your employer or to your or to the workplace which you are applying for. I hope you got the idea. If you like that video, just don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.